Hey everyone, I'm doing a small video on the on this slide out keyboard tray. I have another one here, which is for my wife, so I'm going to assemble that one. I already assembled this one. It went together really fast, and it feels pretty good. It's a good price, and it feels like good quality too. Like it's nice and solid, and it just clamps on there. Really simple. So I'll put it together and show you how we do it. I'm going to use this guy here, my Ryobi driver. Most people will tell you just use a screwdriver so you don't over tighten things, but I'm pretty careful with it, so that's what I'm going to use. Okay, so let's open it up and show you what's inside. Lots of packaging, like stuff to keep it safe. Here's one part. Okay. Well, that's both of them actually. Nicely bubble wrapped. So, there we go. And more packaging. Here's the clamps. Box has a bit of weight too, which tells me it's decent quality. These clamps are nice and heavy. And some more hardware. Okay, I'm going to pause this and put it on a tripod so I can use both hands. Okay, so you're on a tripod now, and I've opened up all the little packages of hardware and stuff. It's pretty simple to put together. We'll do these two brackets first. Okay. Get the gun. Pretty simple when you find the hole. Okay, so I'll do the rest. As you can see, the procedure is simple. Okay, so that took a couple minutes. They're all on. All the screws are in. And we'll put this guy. This has to go up, so I'm going to use this. Okay, you know what? I need to get this off the ground to do this for use of the box. There we go. Alright, and got these small screws here, pretty tiny. These ones you really want to be careful with because there's no metal what do you call them, threads. These other ones here, if you look here, you'll see there's like a metal sleeve in there with threads, and it was the same with these, but this does not, so you'll strip it really easy if you don't be careful. Okay, now the clamps. And again, this has to go this way. Sorry. So these go that way. Hang on. Okay. I don't know why I got disoriented for a second there. Okay, it goes like this. Okay. So we'll get one in there. There. And last one. Okay, I'll do the same on the other side and I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. It's all put together. So that's it right there. And as you can see, there's an already working version. And that's everything. So this is made by Bontec, I believe. Oh, I opened the box upside down, but there it is, Bontec. I'll put a link below if you want to pick one up. I'm pretty happy with it. It's a sturdy unit. Okay, talk to you later.